Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya. Today I created this light pink look. I'm going out, it's cold outside as usual. I just wanted to feel a little bit girly today, so I decided to do some pink lips and all of that good stuff. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and keep watching. So starting off this video today, I'm gonna start off laying my lace front wig. I'm using the Got to Be Glued gel today, and I'm gonna put that all around the perimeter of my head, and I'm just going to blend that in on my scalp and on the front part of this stocking cap. This stocking cap is very thin and light, so it's not as thick as it appears to be. So I'm just going to spread this glue all over, well, sorry, this gel all over the front of my forehead, and we're gonna let that dry. The wig already comes curly, but to enhance these curls today, I'm going to wet the wig and so that it's drenched in water. Next, I'm going to add this curling cream from Cantu, and I'm just going to apply that all over the wig. And I'm going to let it sit there for a couple of minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. So to make sure that everything sticks down well, I'm just going to go ahead and add the freezing spray from Got to Be Glued, and I'm just going to add that right over the top of the gel. And I'm going to add extra spray on the edges of my temples, well, closer down to the ear tabs, because you know that's the hardest part where the lace doesn't want to stick to. So I just add a little bit more around those areas.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through.
So when you're doing this part, you just want to make sure that everything is glued down properly, it's laid down properly. You want to make sure that there's no hair sticking up. I was in a hurry today. I needed to get out of the house quick. My husband was like, it's time to leave, so I just had to hurry do my hair. So you'll see that later on. I was really hurrying, but anyway, you just want to make sure that there's no hair laying on the front of your forehead. You want to comb those hair back, and then you want to lay it down with a stocking cap or a scarf or something that will tie it down and hold it tight. Hold it tight down, and then you go ahead and do your makeup, or if you're in a rush, you can go ahead and just blow dry it with a blow dryer on the cool setting. So I'm just gonna tie mine down with a stocking and leave it there until I'm finished with my makeup. Going into the sugar palette from shophush.com. I'm going to leave their link down below. I'm just going to go ahead with this brown color, and I'm going to add that into my crease, and I'm going to blend it out.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Next, I'm going in with this pink color, and I'm going to add that on my mobile lids, and I'm just going to press that in. And next, I'm going to go in with a dark purple, and I'm going to add that color in my outer corner and blend it out. I'm just going to do a little wing today and just put some black eyeliner on top of my top lash line, and we're just going to set that there and go ahead with the rest of the face. Looking white, that's from the primer I applied earlier. So let's just go ahead with the foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 360, and I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics concealer and foundation palette, and I'm just going to blend those colors out with my Real Techniques blending sponge, and we're going to set those highlighted areas with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in the shade 330.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Of course, my favorite, I'm going in with the Modern Fashion contour palette, and I'm going to use that middle shade, and I'm going to contour my cheekbones. This is one of the products that I will have in the giveaway. Of course, it's a new palette, the guys, don't worry. So next we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the lashes, and I'm using these lashes from Megas Lashes. I will also have their page link down below. It's an Instagram seller, so yeah, just check the description box for that. And I'm just going to add some black lip liner on my lips today and add some pink lip gloss in the middle, and I'm going to cover that over with the Revlon pink lip gloss, and we're just going to blend all of those colors together.
Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
So this is kind of nerve-wracking, you know. This is where you see how well you've done with the laying, and obviously I did a bad job, but that's okay. We're gonna fix it. We're just gonna blend those in together, and we're gonna brush out the hair. So to lay down these edges today, I'm using the Argan Oil Extra Hold, and I'm just going to brush those in. So just keep watching and you'll see how I create these baby hairs. Okay, so I know you guys noticed that on my channel I do a lot of synthetic wig reviews. I do have human hair wigs, but I prefer the synthetic wigs because it's just mainly just throw it on and to go, you know, it's not a lot of work. But this wig here, I had purchased this I think it was a year ago, and I don't like the wig. I like the hair, but the wig was constructed really bad because it has a lot of shedding and it is kind of going bald in the front, so there wasn't much I could do, you know, in terms of parting or putting it up too much, or, you know, doing a lot of styles with it, because you have some areas where it's a little bit bald, and if you guys would look closer you can see it. But I did go ahead and, you know, just use some black powder and just stipulating on the lace where some of the hair was missing, just to kind of blend everything together to make it look a little bit more seamless. But I wouldn't recommend you guys buying this hair, so I'm not even gonna leave the information down below, you know. So yeah, this is the best I can do with this wig for now until I get another one, and that's gonna be a while because I don't see myself buying no more human hair wigs right now. I did pay a lot of money for this wig, but you know, sometimes you can't really tell what you're gonna get. So yeah. check me out trying to finesse the shit out of this wig. Y'all give this video a thumbs up for my background. Woo woo. Yeah, so thumbs up this video for the background, you guys.
Chemicals collide.
Well, okay loves, that concludes the look for today. I am sure that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was short and sweet and to the point. I didn't want to do too much because it's the same routine, but in my next video I will be talking about some black women and women that have empowered us and lead us to where we are now, so stay tuned for that. I do have a giveaway coming at the end of the month, so also stay tuned for that. You guys know what to do. Subscribe right here. My previous video will be uploaded right here. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.